Did you know that killing Rasputin actually made him more powerful over Russia's royal family? December 29th, 1816. Russian nobles finally murdered the mad monk Rasputin. They poisoned him, shot him, and threw him in a frozen river. They thought this would free Tsarina Alexandra from his evil influence. They were dead wrong. Alexandra became convinced that Rasputin's spirit was speaking to her from beyond the grave. She held seances in the palace, believing she received his ghostly advice about running the war in the country. While Russian soldiers died on the battlefield, the Tsarina made military decisions based on messages from dead Rasputin. She appointed generals and moved troops according to what mystics claimed his spirit told them. The Russian army collapsed. Revolution erupted in 1917. When Tsar Nicholas II wrote his abdication letter, he specifically mentioned how Rasputin's influence continued even after death. The supernatural obsession that was supposed to end with his murder actually destroyed the 300-year-old Romanov dynasty. Sometimes killing your enemy only makes them stronger.